Okay, start and let's go west. Okay, you find the gigantic pipe. If you go back, yeah, you can go back, and if you look inside, you die. Okay, so we're gonna create a game over screen function, and I'm gonna name this det, and let's copy this and change image to grave, this one, grave. So grave, and you are dead. Your adventure ends here. And line break, game over. And what is this K? Let's delete this. And the first choice is go to the title screen. And no need to use this. And next position is go title screen. Okay, and so to go back to title screen, first let's click this game screen again, and so this time we want to move from this game screen to this title screen, so the opposite of this start button. So we're gonna use intent again. I think I'm gonna make another function here and name this go title screen, and again we're gonna use this intent equal intent, hold enter, this, and title screen and colon class.java, and start activity, and not intent, sorry, not intent, what is it, title screen, title S or whatever, yeah, title S. Okay, and so now we want to call this method, and so since we set this go title screen as next position 1, so let's make what is it, let's copy this go title screen, and from here let's call that method we just created. First it's in game class, so gs dot yeah, this one, go title screen. Okay, let's check. Alright, let's go west and look inside, and you died, and if you click this, oop, doesn't work. Why? Yeah, we haven't added this dead, sorry, dead method. Let's try again. Okay, go west and look inside, you died, and okay, you died, you are dead, your adventure ends here, game over, and go to the title screen. Okay, great. Okay, then let's create this east part. Okay, so after this plant, another function, and name this as sword, and let's copy and change the image sword, I think, sword, and text, amazing, you find a master sword, and line break, and you have a master sword now, and the first choice is back, and the starting point Okay, so let's add this sword to this poem. Sword. Okay. Go east. Amazing, you find a master sword. And finally, no. And also, so if you go north, you encounter a boss, gargoyle. And to beat this gargoyle, there are two conditions. The one is find this sword, and the other one is beat this piranha plant. And if you have found this master sword, then you can kill this plant. So let's take care of that first. So plant. So right now you you just die when you encounter this plant. But so yeah, let's make a variable master sword, and we're gonna use this as a boolean. So set false. No need this semicolon, and false. So the default is false, so you don't have the sword. But if you found the sword, then let's change this boolean master sword to true. No. Okay. And then here plant. So let's make a if statement. If master sword false. So if you don't have the sword, then yeah, you die. So let's copy this. But if you have master sword true, then you can kill this plant. So change this, and you have defeated the piranha plant with your master sword. Line break, and you feel much stronger now. So you received some kind of a experience, so you are even stronger now. And okay, to check this, let's make another boolean, and like a kill plant. Default is false. Where is it? Yeah, here. So but if you kill this plant, kill the plant true. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I think, yeah, let's check this. Start, and let's go east and get the sword, and go west and look inside. You have defeated the plant. Okay. I made the same mistake when I created this in Java too. Yeah, we need to change this, not dead. So now we beat the monster, so let's change this to starting point. And so finally, let's take care of this north part. So yeah, if you go north, you encounter this monster. So let's make this monster function. Function monster. And copy this. So let's change the image to this gargoyle. You encounter a gargoyle. And no need this. And the first choice is attack, and the second one is run. We don't need this. And the first next position is attack, and the second is starting point. So we go back to the starting point if we run from this gargoyle. Okay, so let's add this monster to here. And then let's make this attack function to attack. Let's make if statement. So we want to check if player can kill this gargoyle. So first condition is master sword. If true, and also killed plant, then you can kill gargoyle. So change this image to treasure. I think treasure. So is your legendary master sword and experience as a warrior. The monster has no chance to win. You get the treasure and the world is saved. And line break, and the end. Oops, cannot see. Okay, and go to the, so you beat the game. Go to the title screen and 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's add 2. Let's make the bottom 2 invisible and nothing, and what is it? Go, this one, go title screen. And let's add this attack function to this attack. Okay. This is it. Maybe this is everything. Okay, let's check it. Start and okay, go north first, and gargoyle run. You can run and attack. Oop, doesn't work. Why? Monster attack. Huh? Attack. Oh, no. Sorry, I forgot to else. Yeah, so if you don't have master sword or you haven't killed plant, then yeah. This is gargoyle. Okay. You fight well, but the monster is too strong for you. And the monster kills you. Okay. And the game over. You die. And dead, I think. That's it. Okay, let's go north, attack, monster killed you, you died. Okay. And so let's go east and get the sword, and go west and kill the plant, and go north and attack again. Okay, so you killed the gargoyle and you beat the game. The world is saved. Yeah. Okay, so the game is complete. So as you can see, this is a very simple and short game. Main purpose of this tutorial was to introduce how to create a program for Android, and also introduce this Android Studio. So I tried to make the game as simple as possible. So hopefully you can add a lot more, like player stats, HP or gold or level, or add a lot more story, interesting story. You can do that. Anyway, this is the Kotlin version of making this Android app. So I hope this was useful for you, and thank you so much for watching, and see you again.